So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money with this amazing platform. But before we go dive into the video, I'd like for us to read some reviews about this particular website. Now here says, this is the best app I've used because there are many opportunities for earning. Let's see another one. It is very good, trustworthy, reliable, and efficient. I started my job on the site and it's been an amazing experience so far. I am a trust pilot reviewer, and if I go now, trust pilot is where people come to drop reviews on a certain product or service. As you can see, a lot of persons are reviewing it. We have bad reviews and good, but the good reviews are very much high. Right, they're very much high. It is the best app on earth that pay people. So in today's video, I'll be show you how you can actually make money using this particular website. Now all you need to do is sit still and watch with me as I show you how exactly, step by step, on how you can make money using this particular website. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. So like I promised, I'm going to be showing you this amazing website and how you can actually navigate. It's not about knowing the name of the website, but exactly how you can make money and navigate. So please stick with me till the end of this video. I'll be showing you 3 or even 4 amazing ways on how you can make money from this amazing site. Now, the name of the site is PayRoute.Online. When you click on your Google browser, just type PayRoute.Online. You can see the way mine is showing on my URL spot. Now it is free. That is the amazing part. It is free, and in our intro we saw the amazing review. So it's easy and it's the best, and it is tested and trusted. Now more than 18,783,627 naira paid out. No registration fee. You don't have to register. Now, why PayRoute? It is fast. You get paid within 24 hours from the time you make withdrawal, and the minimum money you can withdraw is 150 naira. So you see why this is very amazing. You don't need to have 2,500 or 2,000 or a particular time to withdraw your money. Now you have unlimited tasks to do. I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can make money. It has a friendly policy. They have a weekly contest. We have free bonuses, amazing customer support, and you can also advertise your business using this particular platform. But like I said, I'm going to be walking you through how you can register, how you can get started. I'm going to be using a new Gmail entirely for this. I've been on this for the past 1 week, and I will tell you I've made quite small naira like that. But I'm going to show you how I did that. Now you might want to click on sign in because we are not already. You click on sign in. Because we're not registered, you click here to sign up. Now you'd have to tell us your full name, your username, your email address, phone number, password, confirm password. My full name is Okori Janet Nana. I'm sorry, I'm doing this very early in the morning, so I'm getting a lot of WhatsApp messages. Username, let's use Janet 2024. My email address, I'll be using my email address. And I told you I'm using another email address. I've used one for it before. But for the purpose of you watching this video, I'm going to be doing it step by step so that you don't get lost. I'm going to sign up now. It's still loading. Probably a network. We have to be calm and wait for it to load. Okay, fine. That's loaded completely. Okay, it has asked us to save our password. If you want to save, fine and good. If you don't want to save, you leave it alone. Now let's use our username, Janet 2024. So my account has been validated successfully. Please wait while I am logged in. Now we are here. There is no email verification with this website. Honestly, it is just the best. So this is, like I told you, congratulations, I just earned 200 points and leveled up weekly dashboard for daily login. Login tomorrow for another daily login reward. Okay, thanks. So like I told you, this is on a fresh page, a fresh dashboard. I don't know if you can see this clearly. My main balance here is 0, deposit balance is 0. I've not referred anybody on this particular website, so I'm just going to chilele and see what we can do. Now, for us to make money using this particular, like I told you, I'm showing you 3 amazing ways you can make money using this website. Now you have to go to this three stuff. Now the first thing I want to show you is how you can, because I want you to make money by writing articles, right? You have to, the first one will have to make money by writing articles. So like we see, we can see you can earn by viewing pics, reading blogs, PR tags, TW tags, quiz, offer walls, watch videos, and the rest of that. But of course, we want to learn how to so we have to, let's click on create blogs. So you can see now you can actually make money using this. Now if you want to write on probably health, you want to write on anything you want to write about, you just come and then you select your blog category. If it's around comedy, if it's around story, if it's technology, football, whatever is trending, you can write it and get paid. Now if you get 8,000 clicks, you get paid for it. Do you understand? 8,000 clicks equals one, I can't see this from here, so that's the rate. That's 8,000 impression rather. So I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can actually write amazing blogs that people would click and want to see. You don't have to stress yourself up. You then go back, you have to go back, return to we'll have to return to our stuff. We then go to read blogs. Let's click on read blogs. Now you can see what people are writing on. Now you get paid 1 naira if you stay for 30 seconds. If you read any of this blog and stay there for 30 seconds, you get paid 1 naira. Is that not amazing? Now if you're getting value in this video, like if you're getting value right now, please do well to click on the subscribe button and do not forget to share this particular video, right, to your friends and family, because it's 2024. You have to look for ways to make money online, right? Now the amazing part is you don't have to have a skill, no investments. It is free and legit. So what exactly are you waiting for? I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular website in the description of this video, and if you still don't understand, I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link so that you can be redirected to me, and then we can tackle whatever problems you have. Now we see what people are saying. We are seeing search for a good heart, not a beautiful face and a deep pocket. About 15 people view this. We have a story, about 15 people view this. So you just have to come here and see, okay, what are people reading, what are people actually reading. Now we see this person, we can write stories. This is around tech. You can create things. You can even go on Google News, get amazing articles, then get your Quora.ai and have it rewrite that particular article for you. Get your spin board and have it edit those things for you to remove every plagiarism, whatever, and then you can put a copy and paste it to this particular site where I showed you how you can write blogs and get paid. Let's see if we have, okay, so you can actually write stories and redirect your friend to come and read, and you get paid for it. So that's just it. It's as simple as ABC. I wouldn't be going in total, but later you can come and check out this amazing website. Let's see other ways we can make money. Now you can actually make money by viewing PTCS, and again you can earn money in cryptocurrency with this amazing website. So in case you are not a Naira person, you can earn money using cryptocurrency. We have PR tax, we have quiz, you can watch videos. Let's click on videos and see what we can. Let's click on watch videos. So we're still loading. Okay, now watch, comment, and subscribe. So we have 4 Naira for it. Here we have 2 Naira. So you can actually click on this, right? You can click on this and watch it and get paid for this. So let's see other things. We have so now if you want to get paid for your blog, all right, you have to come to, I forgot to mention that, you come to blog monetization. I forgot to mention that. So you can see now I do not have any money right now. So if I want to withdraw my money, just come to blog monetization and withdraw your money. It goes directly to your bank account. And again, do not forget that I said it is absolutely free, and the minimum withdrawal is 150 Naira, 150 Naira. So you can actually spend every 30 seconds earning 1 Naira, 30 seconds earning 1 Naira, and in a day you would have made 150 Naira or more than. So that is, you can actually do quizzes. Let's see what the quiz is like, because I love things that, you know, challenge me. Now we have a quiz. You can actually start it. It starts in 44 hours 17 minutes 41 seconds. So if you want to be part of this amazing quiz, you just come and buy your tickets and take part in the quiz. So what are you waiting for? I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section, in the description of this video, right? So you can register and enjoy. Now I hope you've gotten value in this particular video. I have amazing videos. I have videos on how you can make money online. You can actually check out my video respect and see how you can do all of those, right? You can see, and then please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It is